Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fancy Akinyi. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So in today's video, we are going to cook wet fry omena. In this recipe, I used 2 cups of omena, 1 large onion, 3 spring onions. I used spices. I used garam masala, fish masala, paprika and turmeric. I also used dhania stems and dhania leaves for garnishing. So here we have soy sauce, 3 large tomatoes. I blended the tomatoes. In a pan, we are going to heat up some cooking oil. Then we are going to fry our nicely washed omena until they are golden brown. We are going to fry them on medium heat until they are nicely cooked. Once they are ready, we are going to remove them and make the sauce. You can check the full list of ingredients in the description box below. So once the omena are ready, we are going to remove them and jump straight into making the sauce. So here I'm just going to saute the onions. Once they are nicely cooked, I'm going to add in the dhania stems to add in some flavor. Once it's nicely cooked, we are going to add our blended tomatoes. Let it cook for about 2 minutes, then add soy sauce and the spices. Stir it up, then let it cook for about 2 minutes. Remember to add salt to taste. Once it's nicely cooked, we are going to add in the omena. Mix everything together so that the tomato paste can mix well with the omena. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, then the omena will just be ready for eating. You can add water or milk. I preferred mine this way. You can serve this with some hot ugali, creamy spinach or skuma. So that's just it. The omena is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.